Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce business risks with Riskalyze, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Riskalyze and log in to your account. Once logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. Navigate to the Risk Assessment section. Click on Start a new assessment. Enter the client's financial details, adjust the time horizon for the investment based on the client's needs. Select the risk tolerance level by choosing a suitable option from the scale. After inputting the data, click on Generate Report. Review the risk analysis summary that appears. Take note of the client's risk number and the associated investment recommendations. Discuss the findings with your client to ensure they understand their risk profile. Use the data to adjust their investment strategy as needed. For additional insights, explore the Portfolio Risk feature. This tool helps visualize potential market fluctuations. Encourage clients to revisit their risk assessments periodically. This ensures that their risk profile aligns with changing circumstances. Finalize your recommendations based on the comprehensive report. Log out of Riskalyze after completing the tutorial. Your clients will appreciate the proactive approach to managing their investment risks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.